I'm Tony. Welcome to Monday Morning Laugh, a monologue written in 1932. Our Aunt Anna's passed away. We had a funeral today. And it was a posh affair, had to have 2 policemen there. Oh, the hearse was a lovely, all plate glass. And what a coffin, oak and brass, with thousands weeping, flowers galore. But Jim, our cousin, what do you think he wore? Why, brown boots. I ask you, brown boots. Fancy coming to a funeral in brown boots. I will admit he had a nice black tie, black fingernails, and a nice black eye. But you can see people off when they die in brown boots. And Aunt had been so very good to him, done all that any mother could for him. And Jim, her son, to show his class, rolls up to make it all a farce in brown boots. I ask you, brown boots, while all the rest wore decent black and morning suits. Although he didn't seem so gay. In fact, he cried most part the way. But straight he regular sport our day with his brown boots. In the graveyard we left Jim. None of us said much to him. Yes, we all gave him the bird. Then, by accident, we heard he'd given his black boots to Jim Small, a bloke what had no boots at all. So perhaps Aunt Anna didn't mind. She did like people who were good and kind. But brown boots, I ask you, brown boots. Fancy coming to a funeral in brown boots. And we could hear the neighbours all remark, "What, him chief mourner, what a blooming lark. Why, he looks more like a bookmaker's clerk in his brown boots." That's why we had to be so rude to him. That's why we never said "Adoo" to him. We didn't know. He didn't say. He'd give his other boots away. But brown boots, I ask you, brown boots, while all the rest wore decent black and morning suits. But some day, up at Heaven's gate, poor Jim, all nerves, will stand and wait till an angel whispers, "Come in, mate. Where's your brown boots?"